Welcome to Ferlon's Word of the Day
For kids!
That's right. I wonder what word we'll learn today. Let's see. Searching. Excel. I wonder what this word means. I'll take this one, Ferlon. Excel means to do or perform better than others. Oh.
Hey, how about I use that in a sentence?
Okay.
If I practice hard at my favorite sport, I can excel past Duncan and become the best player on the team.
I don't know. What do you think about that, Duncan? I bet you can't beat me, Blue.
I bet I can.
I bet you can. Whoa. Guys. It's not really about being better than others. It's about being better than you were the day before. Excel past what you did yesterday, and you'll be better today, tomorrow, and so on. Oh, I see. I guess you're right.
Yeah, I knew that all along. It's about being the best you can be.
And that is correct. Well, that's all the time we have for Ferlon's Word of the Day.
For kids!
That's right. We'll see you next time when we cover another word.
Bye.